Hello friends, this is Twinkle from Civil Center and we are back with another video in which you will get to know some SketchUp quick tips. So today we are going to discuss about how to work with shadows in SketchUp. So let's get started. First, you will need the default tray turned on because the shadow section is located in this tray. If your shadow section is not visible, you can always go to the windows, then go to the default tray. From there, you can check the shadows option. Then you will get to see the shadow section in your default tray. Then we have our shadow section open. If you look at here, there is little button from which you can on or off the shadow in the model. Once you turn on the shadow, then you can adjust it by using the slider available below, like time, then the date, you can also use the sun for shading if you need that. Then there are also different options available for casting shadows like on faces, on the ground or from edges. You can use them accordingly. As you can see, the object casts shadows on each other face. If you don't want it, you can also uncheck it. See. And if you wanted to cast shadow on the ground, you can also check on ground option. So that gonna cast shadow on the ground. You can also adjust how light the lights are and how dark the darks are by using these sliders. So that's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. And if you really like this video, please like, share and